Little day in the life. We're here at the shop this morning, just a little bit after 5 o'clock, picking up some parts to head on to the first job. Parts usually gets here between 4 and 5, so. We had about a 2-hour drive this morning. Come out here to this 7230 Premium, and customer said they were baling hay with it, and he kept hearing a popping noise. And after they got done, they figured out what was going on. They had a kingpin that's wore out. Lift it up, you can see how bad it is. So we're going to tear into it and see how much damage we've got, and if we can get it fixed and get it going today. We got it all apart. Looks like it's going to be salvageable. Race is still pretty well intact. I don't think it walled out the housing. We'll replace that seal right there as well. I think these all look pretty good right there. There's not much left. There ain't no bearings left in that. There's a seal right there. Got the races out of it. Took the welder, welded the bead around the inside of the race. Helps suck it together. Pop it out with a heel bar. Ready to clean it up. We'll start the new races. This side back together. We went ahead and changed our hub oil. It takes hydraulic oil on these, and we went ahead and changed the other side out as well. So we've got a fresh new set of kingpin bearings and seals on this machine. So this customer can go back to baling some hay with it. So we'll head on to the next one now. So we're looking at a Ingersoll Rand air compressor. This has got a little 4039 engine in it, and customer said it's overheating on them. We had a pretty good day today. Got the 7230 going, where we changed the kingpins on bearings and seals on both sides. Job code for those is 4.73 hours per side, so we did do pretty good on the time on those. And then we looked at the customer's air compressor with the John Deere engine in it, and did a little diagnostic on it, and customers are going to take over that project and finish it up. So we're going to head home now. We got about a 2-hour drive back to the house, so we're going to have about 12.5-hour day when we get home. So normal day is a life of John Deere Tech, I guess. So y'all have a great one.